Does this even help? Like, I took the diffuser out so I can without, and yeah, it helps a bit. I will leave it on. That's like, I don't usually use this for these videos, so that's that. Focus. Okay, awesome. Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I made a video, mainly just because it didn't feel right to post around what's happening around the world. So I hope you all are safe, and hopefully self-isolation is not really taking everything out from you. This video is more like, because you're home, most of you will be self-isolating. You will be on your phones a lot, using your phones a lot, sharing stuff. Maybe you want to send some stuff to your family members that are not near you, or just share it to the public and stuff. And a easy way, if you're using iPhones, how to share faster, or just avoid the multiple steps you need to do to share an image or share a screenshot. It's a really small thing, but if you're in really hurry or a rush to share something, it might just save you that extra minute. So without delaying this video further, I really want to keep it short. Let's just get straight into it. Okay, so first of all, you need an iPhone. It can be on any iOS version, but I do recommend having the latest iOS version. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take a screenshot. So let's just say you want to share something and you take a screenshot. Now if you notice, on the bottom left corner, the pop-up comes up. The easiest way to share is you put your finger right on the pop-up and share menu pops up. And now from here, you can just airdrop it, send it to messages, tweet about it, and do all the other stuff that you wanted to share to different platforms. And that's pretty much it. Before, usually you would click on the screenshot, then go on the share and then do it. Or if you don't do that, you close the current app, go in photos, click on it, open it, share it, and do all that stuff. So this is a really quick tip. Another example, let's say I go on Twitter and I find something. I want to share this with someone who might not have Twitter. So all I will do is screenshot, and it will pop up at the bottom left corner. Just put my finger on it, and that's it. That will give me a pop-up, and now I can just pick if I want to share it to a message, or do I want to share it on mail, messages, airdrop, TikTok, Instagram, all the other apps that you might have already on your phone. So this is a really quick way. Now you can obviously move it up and get all the other settings. And that's pretty much it for the video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Like it if you like this video, and I will see you next week with my next video. And next week might just be the iPhone 11 Pro review, which I've been holding on for so long. I might just be posting that next week. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you haven't already done so. I'm going to try something new. Because of this reflector, I'm going to end the video just by covering it up using that. So I will see you next week.